welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Megha Sharma. Today, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi marks his 75th birth anniversary, the nation has come together in the spirit of selfless service through the Seva Pakhwada, a 15-day nationwide campaign from 17th September to 2nd October, coinciding with Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary. What was initially envisioned as Seva Saptah or Seva or Samarpan Abhiyan, meaning a week of service and dedication, has evolved into this extended fortnight of volunteerism, emphasizing Prime Minister's long life commitment to public welfare over personal celebrations. Organized by BJP and supported by various government initiatives, the campaign includes blood donation drives, cleanliness abhiyan, health camps and fitness events across the country, showcasing the government's achievements in areas like women's health and youth empowerment. Union Ministers Ashwini Vaishnav and Piyush Goyal have already participated in the blood donation and community programs, while Prime Minister Modi himself launched key schemes today, such as the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyan for women's health and the 8th National Nutrition Month. This tradition reflects the Prime Minister's philosophy of turning politics into a medium of service, with past birthdays featuring similar outreach like ration distribution during the pandemic and cheetah releases for conservation. As lakhs of youth and citizens join in, Seva Pakhwada not only honors the Prime Minister's milestone but inspires a collective push towards a healthier, cleaner and more empowered India. In fact, let's take a look at the cities and towns and villages of our country where Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday is being commemorated by way of the schemes, initiatives that are being implemented, whether it is the blood donation camps or for that matter the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, women's health, we talk about children's health and youth empowerment. It all has been encapsulated today and is going to carry on with October 2nd being Mahatma Gandhi's birth anniversary as well. All right, joining me on the telecast is Aditya Wadhwan. He is joining me from Connaught Place, Central Park, New Delhi. Aditya, what's the scene on the ground? What all has been done since morning? The Prime Minister's birthday is being celebrated across the globe in the country, and how are celebrations taking place in Delhi?
Well, absolutely, Megha, to see, we are just standing in that the Central Park at this moment. I have just show how, this right now, if you see, this Seva Pakhwada, or, on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, this poster has been set up here. And, this entire inner circle, there are, this small pamphlets of BJP party has been set up here. So, at this juncture, we have also, in the evening, there was a program, wherein Delhi CM Rekha Gupta was present, and under the National Mobility Mission, several initiatives have been introduced for all the physically challenged people. So at this juncture, since today is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, it is an occasion, to start these developmental initiatives for the betterment of the people. And indeed, we are seeing this by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Yes, Megha.
Right. Aditya, stay on with me. We're talking about this massive turnout that has taken place all across the country where these initiatives have been launched. Belly Thomas is in Bengaluru. He is in Kengiri region of Bengaluru. Belly, how did the day progress? What all was happening on the ground since morning?
A flurry of activities in Bengaluru today on the 75th birthday of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. BJP leaders like the parliamentary board member and former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa, along with the former Union Law Minister Sadanand Gowda, had cleaned up a park today at their residential place. It's called Dollars Colony, and there was an event which felicitated around 75 civic workers, most of them women there. And there were other flurry of activities also that were carried out throughout the city by BJP leaders, like blood donations camp and cleanliness drives and awareness campaign as such. So it was a day to be remembered, is what the big people told. But not only in Bengaluru, Prahlad Joshi, the senior BJP leader, held his own events with the railway officials in Hubli, and similarly all the districts, including North Karnataka, had witnessed all the Seva Pakshik Abhiyan related events. So right now I am here in Kengeri of Bengaluru, where I have with me a BJP spokesperson who also translates Union Home Minister Amit Shah's speeches whenever he comes to Karnataka. Sir, you tell me, like, how did the events go on? Like, what is Seva Pakshik Abhiyan, and how is it going to go?
See, first of all, I would like to wish our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji a happy birthday. It's a great day for India. It's a great day for all the Karyakartas as well. So when the world is actually dreaming to have a leader like Narendra Modi, India already has it for last 12 years now, almost 12 years now. So it's a great day. We have just begun today as a respect to that person who has sacrificed his entire life for the nation. So we have started a Seva Pakshik as per our party instructions by our National President JP Nadda ji and State President Vijendra ji. So we have started it today. It's called Seva Pakshik, activities of 15 days. Today, in fact, in our constituency, we had about 3 functions today. One was a health camp, and the other 2 were giving food and fruits to old age homes. So it was a great day. We are happy. We wish him a happy birthday. And we also, every Karyakarta feels that, a person like Narendra Modi should take our age. We pray to our God, saying that take our age and give it to Narendra Modi so that he can be a prime minister till he wants it.
So this is the mood here, Megha. So let's find out from a few other residents here. What do you think of the activities that the BJP supporters are carrying out here?
Always we are supporting the BJP for Modi ji only, because we know very well, not only for the India, we know the all over country know the Modi ji what is that. So today is Modi ji birthday. We are not saying for India only, the all countries saying happy birthday to Modi ji, and we are always wish you to give them more year to Modi ji. And thank you so much for your news channel also.
Okay, anything that you would want to tell, sir?
We are very happy to have this type of Prime Minister to our India, and the whole world likes him. I request Modi have a long, healthy life to serve India. That's all.
Okay. So
we all want to wish happy birthday, Narendra Modi ji.
Okay,
so
all right,
that was the mood.
The
you
atmosphere
saw,
continues to be
here.
electric on the ground. It is the fag end of the day, but celebrations continue. In fact, also on the telecast with me is my colleague Unaiza Gadia. She's in Mumbai. She's in Sion. Unaiza, how has the day carried on from morning, the events, the celebrations, the activities to commemorate the Prime Minister's birthday? What all has been happening on the ground?
See, yes, Megha, talking about our Prime Minister's birthday today, it was a grand event for the people, not for him, But in the morning, we've seen our Cabinet Minister Piyush Goyal himself doing Safai Abhiyan, and he himself was throwing water and cleaning the footpaths and sweeping the floor, the footpaths. He himself started this drive, and everywhere, at the small events, people are gathering and celebrating Prime Minister Modi's birthday. We've seen people cutting the cakes, although his message is he doesn't believe in celebrating birthday in a big celebration way or cutting the cake, but serving people and be the needful for the people is his aim. To serve people is his aim. This birthday he has spread that, and he want his people, his ministers, and his own people to follow these rules and follow these that he doesn't want to celebrate his birthday. So we've seen, you know, BJP people, BJP has organized camps like donation camps,
Right.
health checkups, free medicines given to the poor people, and they also distributed foods also. So this is our Prime Minister, you know, he doesn't want to celebrate it this way, but to celebrate in a different way, to serve people, and he wants everybody to follow him and be the inspiration
Right,
for the
absolutely.
same.
Uneza, thank you for giving us that update. I would request all my colleagues in Bengaluru, in Delhi and in Mumbai to stay on with me. In the heart of the nation, Delhi kicked off the Seva Pakhwara with fervor on Prime Minister's birthday, and the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta led by example. She donated blood at a camp and announced 75 new schemes for citizens, including healthcare, sanitation, education, transport and renewable energy initiatives rolling out over 15 days. The Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurated 15 major development projects at Tyagoraj Stadium, featuring a spectacular drone show with 75 drones displaying PM's image. 15 advanced models developed locally. Health camps and blood donation drives dotted the city, with Union Minister Kiran Rijiju visiting Bangla Sahib Gurudwara to emphasize service over celebrations. Minister Majinder Singh Sirsa highlighted a global tree plantation drive involving 70 countries, while BJP leader Dr. Pankaj led community outreach, bringing smiles to families. From Kartavya Path's Seva Sankalp Padyatra to exhibitions on government achievements, Delhi transformed the milestone into a symphony of selfless service, inspiring residents to join the nationwide movement till 2nd of October. My colleagues on the ground have spoken to various leaders of the government. Listen in to those conversations.
आज प्रधानमंत्री जी के 75वें जन्मदिन के अवसर पर तेरापंथी युवा संघ, हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री, माय भारत के वॉलंटियर्स, सब लोगों ने साथ में मिलके एक बहुत बड़ी ब्लड डोनेशन की मुहिम चलाई। देश के युवा ब्लड डोनेशन के माध्यम से प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 75 साल देश की सेवा के लिए समर्पित करा है, उसकी याद में इस कार्यक्रम है। देश के युवा देश के प्रति अपना सेवा भाव व्यक्त करने के लिए
देखिए, इस विश्व के सबसे लोकप्रिय नेता हमारे प्रधानमंत्री, मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी का जन्मदिवस है, और ये जन्मदिवस एक सेवा के रूप में है। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी दिल्ली की जनता को जो विश्वास जताया था, उनके जन्मदिन पे हम वो 75 ऐसी सुविधाएं हैं जो दिल्ली की जनता को समर्पित करने जा रहे हैं। इसमें 101 हमारे आयुष्मान मंदिर हैं, हमारे 150 डायलिसिस सेंटर्स हैं, हमारे 500 एडिशनल ब्लॉक सेंटर्स हैं। हमने वय वंदना पे पीएमजे पे 4.5 लाख से ऊपर कार्ड बना लिए हैं, जिसका लाभ लोग ले रहे हैं। ये जन्मदिन के साथ साथ हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने दिल्ली की जनता को विश्वास जताया था, उस सेवा के रूप में हम आगे कार्य कर रहे हैं। देखिए, इस विश्व के सबसे लोकप्रिय नेता हमारे प्रधानमंत्री, मेरे प्रधानमंत्री जी का जन्मदिवस है, और ये जन्मदिवस एक सेवा के रूप में है। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी दिल्ली की जनता को जो विश्वास जताया था, उनके जन्मदिन पे हम वो 75 ऐसी सुविधाएं हैं जो दिल्ली की जनता को समर्पित करने जा रहे हैं। इसमें 101 हमारे आयुष्मान मंदिर हैं, हमारे 150 डायलिसिस सेंटर्स हैं, हमारे 500 एडिशनल ब्लॉक सेंटर्स हैं। हमने वय वंदना पे पीएमजे पे 4.5 लाख से ऊपर कार्ड बना लिए हैं, जिसका लाभ लोग ले रहे हैं। ये जन्मदिन के साथ साथ हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी ने दिल्ली की जनता को विश्वास जताया था, उस सेवा के रूप में हम आगे कार्य कर रहे हैं।
Aditya, back on the telecast with me. Aditya, what is the plan going forward tomorrow? You know, it's a fortnight celebration where these schemes and welfare programs have been launched. They are going to be implemented. They have been rolled out. Which all areas in Delhi can we anticipate more of these programs and more of these initiatives being rolled out?
Well, absolutely. If you see, since on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday, now since the beginning of these noble initiatives have started on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's birthday. Now, we could expect, as far as tomorrow is concerned, in several locations of Delhi, we could expect some such developmental initiatives for people. We can expect in several, in residential areas and important key areas of the city, these developments could take place. And in the due course, definitely the ordinary people and the common people will definitely be benefited by all these programs by the Modi government. Yes, Megha.
All right. In the Silicon Valley of India, Bengaluru embraced Seva Pakhwara to celebrate the Prime Minister's birthday with a blend of tradition and innovation. Senior BJP leader Jagdish Shettar extended warm wishes, underscoring the city's participation in the fortnight-long nationwide campaign that will carry on till 2nd October, which will focus on volunteerism and public welfare. As part of broader initiatives, local BJP units organized blood donation camps, cleanliness drives at parks and heritage sites, and health checkups under the Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyan, aligning with 75,000 such camps across the country.
आज प्रधानमंत्री जी के 75वें जन्मदिन के अवसर पर तेरापंथी युवा संघ, हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री, माय भारत के वॉलंटियर्स, सब लोगों ने साथ में मिलके
खत्म करके
के माध्यम से प्रधानमंत्री जी ने 75 साल देश की सेवा के लिए समर्पित करा है, उसकी याद में इस कार्यक्रम है। देश के युवा देश के प्रति अपना सेवा भाव व्यक्त करने के लिए कार्यक्रम है।
All right, but stay on with me, because on the other side of this break, we are going to be bringing in more updates, more ground reports, giving you a glimpse of the celebrations that have engulfed cities and villages and towns from all across the country. We took a look at what is happening in Bengaluru, Mumbai and Delhi, but let's also take a look at the other cities, whether it's Jammu and Kashmir, where there were grand celebrations, or for that matter Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat and Uttarakhand. So stay tuned as we get you more of these reports.
अगर आप बनना चाहते हैं एंकर, या फिर आप में है जुनून एक तेज तर्रार न्यूज रिपोर्टर बनने का, तो आप ज्वाइन करें ITV और इंडिया न्यूज एक्स का मीडिया स्कूल। ITV नेक्स्ट मीडिया इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का कोर्स आपको मौका देता है देश के दिग्गज एंकर्स के साथ काम करने का। ITV नेक्स्ट मीडिया इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में आप बेहद नजदीकी से देख पाएंगे किस तरह से ITV नेटवर्क के दिग्गज पत्रकारों की टीम दिन रात खबरों पर काम करती है। इस कोर्स के दौरान आप सीखेंगे एंकरिंग की एक एक बारीकी उन एंकर्स के साथ जो देश को रखते हैं हर खबर से बाखबर। ITV नेक्स्ट मीडिया इंटरनेशनल स्कूल का ये कोर्स आपके एंकरिंग स्किल्स को करेगा इतना सशक्त, मजबूत, जिससे आप बनेंगे पत्रकारिता की दुनिया का वो चमकता चेहरा जो दुनिया देखेगी और पसंद करेगी।
I grew up in a household of strong women, so I just do what they tell me. It's very simple.
मैंने हिम्मत करी, मैंने कहा मुझे अगर कोई मौका मिलेगा मैं पीछे नहीं हटूंगी, क्योंकि मौके बार बार नहीं आते।
हमारे देश में दुर्भाग्य है कि
carrying on with the celebrations of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 75th birth anniversary in Jammu. The BJP Jammu and Kashmir President Satpal Sharma led the charge, emphasizing the campaign's alignment with the party's ethos of Seva, Sushasan and Garib Kalyan during the statewide blood donation drive that kicked off the 15-day initiative. The Deputy Commissioner Ayushi Sudan spearheaded a tree plantation drive at Samba Fort, symbolizing hope and progress, while the BJP East organized a cleanliness drive at Hari Singh Park under MLA Yudhveer Sethi. Jammu and Kashmir hosted an organ donation awareness program at the GDC Vijaypur, Samba, and Government ITI Jammu held a pledge-taking ceremony on Seva and Swachhata, followed by sessions on Mission Yuva and Skill Hub. With the health checkups, camps, distribution of assistive devices for the differently abled and awareness programs on welfare schemes, Jammu's celebrations under Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha and Chief Minister Omar Abdullah's greetings transformed the milestone into a beacon of community welfare and national unity. My colleague Ajay Jandal filed this ground report reflecting the celebrations on the ground. Listen in.
The nation is celebrating today's Prime Minister's birthday, but in Jammu and Kashmir, it's a special day for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, as they have seen the tough time because of the number of things, and you can see that they have specially designed a cake which is having written on it King of Operation Sindoor. And why they have written it, we will definitely speak to them as well, but they are ready to cut the cake as well. And this is the visuals from here. You can see that they are continuously chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and definitely they are offering cake to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's picture, and this is to to celebrate this occasion.
Ajay joins me in the telecast. Ajay, what all happened through the day today in Jammu and Kashmir? What kind of celebrations, what kind of initiatives and programs were launched?
See, it was happening for the first time when every nook and corner of the Jammu and Kashmir was celebrating this birthday, from Lal Chowk, which was a tense if you talk about the previous times in the Jammu and Kashmir, and from every borders as well as the cities of the Jammu and Kashmir. People, those who have seen the toughest time, they were seeing they were celebrating it by saying that it is an occasion one should must celebrate. And the reason says that since Prime Minister Narendra Modi took over as the Prime Minister of the country since 2014, the people of Jammu and Kashmir have seen so many tough time, like flood situation in 2014, the Pahalgam attack, Pulwama attack, and Uri attack. And other than that, we have seen what has happened during the Pahalgam attack, when ceasefire violation and other things were taking place over here in the Jammu and Kashmir. Even a few days back, there was a flood-like situation, and it was only the union government. That is what people believe, that it was the union government's hand which basically was helping every nook and corner of the people, those who were sitting in the nook and corner. And they say that it was only because of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi that they were given adequate facilities and help from the union government, and that basically helped them to survive in the Jammu and Kashmir. And especially during the Operation Sindoor, when Pakistan was taught a lesson, and every leader, defense personnel and the civilians of the Pakistan, they were seems crying, and they are saying that what has happened during the Operation Sindoor. When the report you were showing, that was the location where number of shells, basically missiles were flying right over that area, and that was busting, and that was a very panic situation. But it was only because of the Indian forces that all the plan of Pakistan was thwarted. So that's why people were celebrating by writing King of the Operation Sindoor, and that tag was given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi to show that show that how much love they have in their hearts for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And if you talk about the other areas,
absolutely,
like
absolutely. Ajay, stay on with me. Joining me also on the telecast right now is my colleague from Indore. I'm being joined right now by Atiyab Sheikh. Atiyab, what were the celebrations like, or what all was done in which all parts of Indore?
Well, as far as Indore was concerned, it was a day of celebration for Indore, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Dhar district in Madhya Pradesh today. And in fact, the entire Madhya Pradesh was celebrating his birthday. Apart from that, Madhya Pradesh has even received a return gift from the Prime Minister. Madhya Pradesh has received the Pradhan Mantri Mitra Park, which exactly is the biggest textile park to be started in Madhya Pradesh, and especially in the Adivasi belt. And in fact, I have some, Hanji.
Right.
I'm
Absolutely.
getting the voice.
Absolutely, yeah, yeah. You know, were there? You know, I would like to understand from you what all were there a lot of blood donation camps that had been set up. We also understand that in Delhi and Mumbai and Jammu and Kashmir, there were cultural performances that had taken place. People were very enthusiastic. There were volunteers that were on the streets celebrating Prime Minister's birthday, but also tree plantation drives, health camps that had been set up. Was the environment in Indore similar? Okay, we'll try to get Atyab in just a short while. I have with me Nikita Serene also on the telecast. Nikita is joining me from Lucknow. Nikita, what's the scene like on the ground? In fact, while we try to fix those connections with our colleagues in Lucknow, in Indore, in Jammu and Kashmir, and we will let's quickly take a look at these ground reports that have been filed by my colleagues. They have been on the ground since morning, and they have been capturing glimpses of the celebrations that took over their respective cities.
The birthday of the Prime Minister of India, the cleanest city of India. This is Indore, and we can have a look at the celebrations going on. And this exactly is the celebration. This is going on across the country, and we can see the Prime Minister had given a return gift to Madhya Pradesh with a Prime Minister, the PM Mitra Park in the Adivasi belt of Madhya Pradesh. I have the BJP workers along with me. Sir, प्रधानमंत्री का जन्मदिन, खुशी और उत्साह कितना है स्वच्छ शहर इंदौर में? As you say, this is इंदौर. आप देखिए, बहुत ही आनंद का क्षण है, गौरव का क्षण है कि आज हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जो राष्ट्रीय नायक है, उन्होंने 75 वर्ष की आयु पूर्ण की है. हम सभी यहाँ खजाना गणेश मंदिर में उनकी स्वस्थ दीर्घायु की कामना के लिए एकत्र हैं. भजन हो रहे हैं, ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप चल रहा है, उनके जीवन पर आधारित एग्जीबिशन यहाँ पर हो रही है. इंद्रदेव आशीर्वाद देने के लिए आए हुए हैं और सब भक्त घूम रहे हैं, अपने प्रधानमंत्री की स्वस्थ दीर्घायु की कामना कर रहे हैं.
Okay, Nikita is back on the telecast with me. Nikita, what's the scene on the ground right now in Lucknow? Where all were the celebrations taking place?
Well, Megha, Prime Minister Narendra Modi have turned 75 today, and in fact, a life that has been wholly and solely dedicated towards nation, and showers of blessing pouring from all over the nation here. And let me show you the visuals first of all, that people are damnly excited and enthusiasm among people can be clearly seen, because very much worship process is going on still, because he turned 75 today, and also for his good health, wealth, and also for a long life, you can say. Havan took place, and we have ample of things to tell you, but first of all we have some people with us. Let's turn on upon them to have their opinion, what are their thinking on this auspicious day. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम नकुल कुमार है.
आप सब लोग लखनऊ से?
जी मैम.
सबसे पहले आज आपको पता है प्रधानमंत्री का बर्थडे है, जन्मदिन है, और हम देख सकते हैं जिस तरीके से उनकी लंबी आयु की पूजा अर्चना भी हो रही है. आप एज अ जनता क्या देखते हैं एक लीडर जिन्होंने अपना पूरा जीवन नेशन को डेडिकेट कर दिया?
देखो, जब से हम सभी जानते हैं 2014 से प्रधानमंत्री जी सत्ता में है, सरकार में है, तो उन्होंने बहुत सारे बदलाव भी किए हैं. लगातार वे जनता से जुड़े रहे हैं और जनता के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. तो हमें ओवरऑल हम देखते हैं कि एक समाज सेवा के रूप में उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है देश के लिए, और आगे भी हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि वो ऐसे ही कुछ अगले कई सालों तक हमारे साथ बने रहें और ऐसी देश सेवा करते रहें.
आज कई अभियानों की शुरुआत हुई, चाहे वो रक्त डोनेशन की बात हो, चाहे महिलाओं के लिए शिविर चिकित्सा की बात हो. आप किस तरीके से देख रहे हैं ये सभी सारी चीज़ों को?
प्रधानमंत्री की जन्मदिन में 75वीं वर्षगांठ में हम लोग ने आज यहाँ पर मंदिर में, राजकीय उद्यान मंदिर में उनकी पूजा कर रहे हैं। उनकी उम्र जो है बढ़ती रहे और उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे कार्य किए हैं। जो भी कदम उनके उठाए हैं तो बहुत अच्छी तरह उठाए हैं, अच्छा किया।
देखिए कुछ और भी लोग हैं, आप भी इधर आ जाएं और आपसे भी हम ओपिनियन लेने की कोशिश करेंगे। जिस तरीके से आज हवन पूजन चल रहा है, क्या लग रहा है आपको, कौन कौन से कार्य उनके आपको बहुत दिल को छू गए हैं?
प्रधानमंत्री जी के कार्य जो किए हैं उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे किए हैं। उन्होंने सब अपने निडरता दिखाई है, जो अमेरिका के सामने झुक भी नहीं पाए। वो उन्होंने धमकी दी, उसका कोई जवाब नहीं, अपनी बात पे अडिग रहे, उनकी बात को काट दिया उन्होंने। और दूसरा जो सिंदूर कांड होगा वो बहुत बड़ा सराहनीय काम, पाकिस्तान अपने
आपको कैसा लग रहा है इन्होंने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर की बात की, जो जज्बा उन्होंने दिखाया?
अंकल बहुत बढ़िया बोले, बिल्कुल सही बोले। आज माननीय यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का 75वां जन्मदिन है। इनके शुभ अवसर पर आप यहाँ हवन भी करवा रहे हैं, इनके लिए हमारी तरफ से भी बहुत बहुत बधाई। और इन्होंने जो अपने कार्यकाल में जो काम किए वो मील के पत्थर मानिए तो साबित होने का काम किया। और इन्होंने बहुत योजना चलाई, जैसे जनधन योजना हो गया, अटल पेंशन योजना हो गया और बहुत तरह की चीज़, जिसमें खासकर कहा जाए तो हमारा देश का जो नाम है वो तो विश्व के बहुत पटल के बहुत ऊपर कर दिया।
बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट कहा आपने। आपसे भी जानना चाहूँगी, जिस तरीके से इन्होंने बोला वी हैव अ विजन विद अस, मोदी जी का एक विजन है विकसित भारत 2047 का, क्या लग रहा है जिसको लेकर के एक एक कदम लगातार आगे बढ़ रहा है?
मैम धीरे धीरे ये जो है इम्प्लीमेंट कर रहे हैं सारी चीज़ें। जो है 2014 से देखा आपने, बहुत सारी चीज़ें बदल चुकी हैं। जैसे जनधन योजना देख लीजिए, बहुत सारी योजनाएं चलाई गई हैं इसी के लिए।
आप क्या सोचते हैं?
विकसित भारत करने के लिए सबसे पहले जो कदम उठाया गया डिजिटल इंडिया।
Meanwhile, I would like my camera person to show clear pictures out there that how worship is still going on in temples. हाँ, आप continue करें।
Right,
मैंने बोला था डिजिटल इंडिया एक देश की
Okay,
ग्रोथ के
Nikita,
लिए।
while you keep speaking to the people on the ground who have come up and are taking part in the prayers, that the prayer ceremony that is taking place at one of those temples in Lucknow. I'm also being joined by Atyab Sheikh. Atyab, you're in Indore right now. What's the scene like? What's the environment like? And have you been able to speak to some locals? What is their sentiment?
Megha, as far as the celebration of Prime Minister's birthday today in Indore, it was a double celebration because Prime Minister himself was in Indore.
Okay, we'll get back to my colleague Atyab in just a short while. I am currently okay. Let's quickly have a look at some other leaders within the BJP who have spoken to our reporters.
हमारे साथ बातचीत करने के लिए मौजूद हैं बीजेपी के नेशनल जनरल सेक्रेटरी तरुण चुग, जो खुद आज प्रधानमंत्री के जन्मदिवस के मौके पर ब्लड डोनेट किया है। सर, जिस तरह से पूरा देश आज प्रधानमंत्री का जन्मदिन मना रहा है, आपने भी डोनेट किया है क्या?
ऐसा कि आज पूरे देश में उत्साह का वातावरण है। आज देवताओं के शिल्पकार, इस सृष्टि के रचयिता भगवान विश्वकर्मा जी का भी जयंती है और आज ही के दिन आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जन्मदिन है, जिसे देश के करोड़ों कार्यकर्ता उत्साह के साथ मना रहे हैं। क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी आधुनिक भारत के, विकसित भारत के शिल्पकार हैं और लगातार जगह जगह पर उसके कार्यक्रम हो रहे हैं। तेरहपंथी समाज की ओर से लगभग 4,000 जगह पर इसके कैंप लगाए गए हैं, ब्लड डोनेशन हो रहा है, सेवा के कार्य हो रहे हैं और भारत की चमक व दमक पूरे विश्व में आज फैल रही है।
क्योंकि इस बार देखने खास है, नारी को फोकस किया गया है। कहा जा रहा है जो थीम है स्वस्थ नारी सशक्त परिवार,
उसके लिए कई योजनाएं चालू की गई है। बच्चे स्वस्थ हों उसके लिए भी आज एक योजना चालू की गई है। माँ सुरक्षित, बच्चा सुरक्षित तो समझिए देश सुरक्षित। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का जन्मदिन सेवा के रूप में मनाया जा रहा है और पिछले 11 वर्षों से जिस तरह उन्होंने देश की बेटी को एम्पावर्ड किया है, ये अद्भुत है। आज भारत की बेटी हॉस्पिटल्स में डॉक्टर भी है, नर्स भी है, वकील भी है, जज भी है, वो पुलिस स्टेशंस में भी है और देश की बॉर्डर की रक्षा भी देश की बेटियां कर रही हैं। आज देश की बेटी बहुत आगे बढ़ी है। ये प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का संकल्प है कि बेटियां आगे आई हैं।
क्योंकि पीएम ने 2047 तक विकसित भारत का सपना दिखाया है। उन्होंने ये भी बात कही है कि हम सभी वर्गों को एक साथ लेकर के चलेंगे, कोई भी उसमें पीछे ना रहें। और ऐसे में पक्ष हों या विपक्ष हों, राहुल गांधी सभी लोगों ने बधाई दी है पीएम को।
ऐसा कि प्रधानमंत्री जी का संकल्प है भारत को आगे बढ़ाना, भारत की बेटी को एम्पावर्ड करना, गरीबों के जीवन में सुधार लाना। वो निरंतर इस पर काम कर रहे हैं।
चलिए, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो तरुण चुग जो बता रहे थे कि किस तरह से प्रधानमंत्री जो है समाज के सभी वर्गों के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और आज अपने जन्मदिवस के मौके पर भी वो काम में लगे हुए हैं। कैमरा पर्सन सुधीर के साथ मनोहर केसरी, इंडिया न्यूज़, दिल्ली।
The Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, also spoke to us on the occasion of the Prime Minister's birthday. Listen in.
प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी भारत की राजनीति के एक ऐसे चमकते हुए सूर्य हैं जिनके विजनरी लीडरशिप में आज भारत दुनिया की सबसे तेज उभरती हुई अर्थव्यवस्था के रूप में स्थापित हुआ है और वैश्विक परिदृश्य में भारत का सम्मान बढ़ा है, गौरव बढ़ा है। भारत की वर्तमान प्रगति और भारत के प्रति दुनिया का परसेप्शन आज जो बदला है उसका श्रेय मोदी जी को जाता है और मोदी जी इसलिए सफल हुए। अब तक के सफलतम प्रधानमंत्रियों में मोदी जी की गिनती और मोदी जी के प्रति आदर का भाव न केवल भारत में बल्कि दुनिया में है, क्योंकि मोदी जी के लिए 140 करोड़ भारतवासी ही परिवार हैं। नेशन फर्स्ट, जब राष्ट्र प्रथम के भाव के साथ कोई कार्य करता है और वही जीवन का उनका संकल्प होता है तो उसके अनुरूप विजन भी वो देते हैं। और ये पहली बार देखने को मिला है कि राष्ट्र को प्रथम रख करके उस देश यानी देश के सभी नागरिकों को अपने परिवार का हिस्सा मान।
My colleague Uday Pratap Singh spoke to the Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting and Electronics and Information, Ashwini Vaishnav. Listen in to that conversation.
Hello and welcome. I'm Uday Pratap Singh. You're joining us on this special interview on NewsX on the occasion of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 75th birthday. We are now being joined by Union Minister for Information and Broadcasting and Railways in the Government of India, Ashwini Vaishnav ji. Ashwini ji, welcome. Thank you so much for being with us on NewsX.
Thank you.
Firstly, sir, it is a special occasion. Not just the country, but the world, of course, is celebrating Prime Minister's birthday. What would be your wishes to Honorable PM on this occasion?
Our Prime Minister has basically fundamentally changed the way politics is conducted in this country. We have seen so many different political parties and so many different political personalities in the last 75 years. First time we see a political leader for whom politics is a means for serving the people. Politics is a means for bringing about a fundamental change in people's lives. Politics is a means for setting that foundation which will take us to be a developed nation. That's very, very, we are really lucky to have a leadership like this. And on this very pious occasion, I would say, I would pray to the Almighty that may He lead us always.
What do you believe, sir, has been Prime Minister Narendra Modi's impact for the country? His contributions in nation building, of course, for our great country.
There are so many things. The way he conducts policies, what's written on this, Sabse Pehle Desh, right?
Yes.
He has always put Rashtra Pratham, Sadaiv Pratham as the mantra. He has always put the welfare of the common citizen, the benefit, the change that we bring in the life of the common citizen as the primary outcome of any policy. That's very different from whatever we have seen in the past. And that has made a profound difference. He is a very detail-oriented person. He is very, very insightful on, when you talk technology, he will be able to combine technology, philosophy and society in one go and come out with a way of thinking which will make a big difference in the entire room.
Yes. Well, you of course said Sabse Pehle Desh, which is the slogan of India News. But Desh bhar se hi nahi, Vishwa bhar se aaj wishes aa rahe hain. If we talk about Donald Trump, to Vladimir Putin, to Anthony Albanese, these are just a few of the world leaders who have congratulated Prime Minister Modi on this occasion and also spoken about his contributions in building India and India's ties with the rest of the world as well. What do you make of the world wishes which have also come in, sir?
The world today recognizes India for the good work that has happened in the last 11 years and the foundation which is being built for a developed nation. See, those who know economic history, they all know that India has always been among the top 2 economies throughout its history, but for the last 250-300 years. Our Prime Minister has set us on a path which will make us as prosperous as we were throughout the history and the Sashakt Bharat which we always were, and that forward looking, technology oriented, looking at the world in a very different, in a very holistic view. That Bharat is what he is building, and that Bharat is what he is bringing everybody together in his Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas and Sabka Prayas. It's very important to see that last part, Sabka Prayas. Everybody has to work towards that same goal to achieve that Viksit Bharat ka goal, right? That's what he's put. That's what he's making us all work towards.
Again, something that we're seeing different, so not just this year, but we've seen it every year with PM Modi. As earlier, we used to see political leaders celebrate their birthdays by cutting cakes and having parties. Now, Seva, Hi Sankalp, this is the message sent by the political party that the Prime Minister belongs to. Your Seva Pakhwada has also begun from today, sir. What do you believe is the big message through this, and what are the plans that the BJP has for the next fortnight?
So, as I said, Prime Minister has changed the paradigm of politics. Politics is for him a means to serve the people, and that is what is reflected in Seva Pakhwada. So, from the 15 days that we celebrate as Seva Pakhwada is the time when we must make sure that we look at cleanliness, we look at serving the people, we look at what is the change we are bringing in people's lives, and we change our orientation. The mind, as PM says, mind is important but mindset is more important. We change our orientation from a problem oriented mind to a solution oriented mindset. So these are the things that he always teaches us and he inspires us to do. Look forward, solve problems, look at a bigger picture, look at a much wider scope of things, look at a faster execution, look at a long-term goal.
If we just talk about this year, a big, announcement was made from the ramparts of the Red Fort. It's going to be a very happy festive season for people across India with the GST reforms unleashed. What are we expecting this festive season once this announcement rolls out?
2 major things. One is every household, each of us, 140 crore citizens living in our country, all of us will have the benefit of GST coming to our budgets. Practically everything that we use in our day-to-day life will get cheaper. Second, the economic impact is going to be profound. Our consumption, our economy is today 330 lakh crore economy. Consumption is about 202 lakh crore. This is going to significantly improve, and that starts the virtuous cycle. So the virtuous cycle basically greater consumption, higher investment, more employment, and that cycle goes on.
Very bullish also, sir, about the semiconductor sector in India. We saw the PM with that first Made in India chip. I'm sure that must have been a proud moment for you. It was definitely for him and all of us watching as well.
Our Prime Minister is very deeply invested in technology, and we all understand that for a nation like us, for a country which is growing at such a rapid pace, we must have mastery over certain technologies. Technologies like telecom technology, defense, semiconductors, AI, quantum, biotech, these are the technologies that we must have mastery over. And we must put in tremendous effort to make sure that the entire ecosystem gets built. I remember when we went to the Prime Minister with the semiconductor program, we were talking about the fab and ATMP units, and he inspired us to think that okay, we must manufacture chips, but we must also make the machines which are used in manufacturing chips, and we must also make the materials which go into manufacturing chips. So such a broad way of looking at things, creating that entire ecosystem, that's very inspiring, and that's what has helped us in achieving the results that we have achieved so far.
Okay, my final question to you is a personal one. You worked, of course, around the world. What have you learnt by working under Prime Minister Narendra Modi? You're working closely in his cabinet, of course. He's your leader. What have you learnt from his leadership style and from him personally?
There are many things. Some of the things are really profound. One of the things is there are so many people who would come and put a problem on the table. PM says that his quote is, it's very important to have mind, but it's more important to have a mindset. So how do we look at a problem oriented mind to a solution oriented mindset? So this is really important. Second, he is a very intent listener, very intent listener. He'll listen the finest details, he'll go into and make sure that every opinion is taken into account before we come to the final conclusion. So those are the things which really matter a lot, because we are a complex society, we have a lot of diversity, our problems have so many dimensions.
Yes.
So it's very important to make sure that everybody is, every concern is addressed, everybody is part of the solution, and that kind of consensus building, that kind of orientation really helps a lot, and that's what among the many things that I've learned, these are two or three very important points.
Thank you so much for joining us and giving us time, Mr. Vaishnav, and we wish you all the very best in the upcoming days as well.
Thank you.
With journalist Sudhir, Uday Pratap Singh in Delhi, NewsX.